Welcome. In front of me I have Doogee S96 Pro, and today I will show you how you can turn off this quick launch key. So you have to simply open the settings, scroll down and find easy key. Right now find double click option that is linked to the key and just tap on it to unselect. Okay, probably we have to choose the none option, but where is this? Okay, there it is, the none. So we have to go for the easy shuttle and then click none. And take a look, right now when you double press this key, nothing is going to happen because we get rid of that. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.